So question 5, in the diagram, two secant lines, line BE and line CD, intersect inside the circle at point Q, which is not the center. They form angle CQE, which is labeled with a measure of theta and intercepts arc CE. Its vertical angle BQD, intercepts arc BD. The measure of arc CE is equal to 81 degrees and the measure of arc BD is equal to 73 degrees. What is the value of theta? Okay, so this is inside the circle, the secant intersections, because these are two secant lines. It's given right there. And this is saying that each angle is equal to half of the intercepted arc plus the vertical angle's intercepted arc. So the first thing we're going to identify what angles we're going to be using. So they give us these intercepted arcs of CE, and they also labeled this angle as theta. So using this, we know that we're looking for our angle CQE. We know that half of it's intercepted arc, so this would be arc CE. And it says its vertical angle, which is angle BQD. Vertical angles were learned back in Geometry A, so if you are just jumping in this course, vertical angles are what I call bow tie angles. So they create the other half of the bow tie. So if I looked at angle theta, what would create the other half of the bow tie would be this angle. That's angle BQD, like it had said. So I just imagine bow ties right here. That's how I remember vertical angles. So it's saying that it's vertical angles intercepted arc, which would be arc BD. So they did give us all of the information. So this is arc BD. So now by substitution, we know that we're solving for what angle theta is. So I'm just going to substitute that because they give it as angle theta. We know that arc CE is given to be 81 degrees. So we're going to type that in, substitute that in, and we know that arc BD is given to be 73 degrees. So we could type this out, 81 plus 73. I'm thinking in my head 1 plus 3 is 4. And I am also thinking that 8 plus 7 is 15, so that's 154. So then I would just jump to a calculator and type in, I would just type in 1/2 times 154, which ends up being 77. I just wanted to make sure that I had that correct. So that is how we would set this problem up and simplify it.